Hello guys, ito yung ano guys, isdang tuna guys. O yan na guys, tingnan nyo yung laman guys, ang pula-pula guys, ayan maraming pwedeng luto nito guys, gaya ng tinola, tsaka crispy, adobo, paksiw. Ito guys, masarap to guys, kahit anong luto guys, pwede to guys. Ito yung isdang tuna guys, tingnan mo guys, ang ganda ng ano guys, laman, pulang-pula guys, at saka malambot ito guys. Pag kinain mo, pwede din to guys sa hinilaw. Ayan guys, sarap kilawin to. Ayan masarap to guys. Ayan guys, mahal nga lang kilo nito guys, pero masarap. Kaya kung gusto nyo guys, try nyo guys, tuna